Welcome to Selling on eBay in 2025, Beginner's Blueprint. Make your first sale fast. I'm excited to guide you on this journey. Selling on eBay has been a lucrative side hustle and even a full-time career path for millions. It's a global marketplace brimming with possibilities. Whether you're cleaning out your attic or starting a home-based business, eBay provides a platform to turn your unwanted items into cash. No matter your background or experience, eBay welcomes you. Think of it as your online garage sale, accessible 24/7 to a global audience. You can list practically anything, from vintage clothing to electronics, collectibles and more. And the best part? You're in control. You might be wondering why eBay in 2025. The answer is simple. eBay is constantly evolving. The platform continually introduces new features, tools, and updates to enhance the selling and buying experience. In 2025, we see a greater emphasis on mobile optimization, AI-powered tools, and enhanced seller protection, making it even more accessible and profitable for newcomers. Furthermore, the rise of e-commerce shows no signs of slowing down. With more people shopping online than ever before, now is the perfect time to tap into this ever-growing market. Don't let the thought of competition deter you. By focusing on your passions and understanding what buyers are looking for, you can carve your own path to success. In this video, we'll equip you with a beginner's blueprint to selling on eBay in 2025. We'll cover everything you need to know to make your first sale and beyond. First, we'll walk you through setting up your eBay account. Then, we'll delve into product research using Terapeak, a powerful tool that reveals market trends and pricing insights. We'll show you how to create high-converting listings that attract buyers, optimize your listings for eBay search, and craft compelling product descriptions. You'll learn the best practices for shipping your items, including secure packaging and affordable shipping options. We'll also cover the importance of building positive feedback, responding to customer inquiries, and handling returns professionally. Let's get started on your eBay journey. Alright, let's dive right into creating your eBay account. This is your first step towards becoming an eBay seller. Don't worry, it's a straightforward process. You can choose to create your account on either eBay's website or their user-friendly mobile app. Both options offer a seamless experience. For this demonstration, we'll be using the website, but the steps are very similar on the app. Head over to ebay.com using your preferred web browser. Section 2. Building your profile, a foundation of trust. eBay provides you with two account options, a personal account or a business account. If you're just starting, a personal account is usually sufficient. You can always upgrade to a business account later if your selling activity grows. Fill in the required information, including your name, email address, and a secure password. Be sure to use a strong and unique password to protect your account. Next, personalize your profile. A well-crafted profile builds trust with potential buyers. Section 3. Setting the stage for sales, payment, and shipping information. Now comes the part that allows you to get paid. eBay has streamlined its payment processing system. You'll need to link a valid bank account or a payment gateway like PayPal to your eBay account. This ensures you receive payments securely and efficiently. Double-check all the entered details to avoid any delays or issues later on. Lastly, provide your shipping information. This includes your address and any preferred shipping carriers you want to use. Congratulations, you've successfully created your eBay account. Section 1. Unveiling Terapeak, your market research powerhouse. Now that you have your eBay account set up, it's time to uncover winning products to sell. This is where Terapeak comes in, a powerful market research tool directly integrated into eBay. Terapeak provides invaluable insights into what's selling, at what price, and who's buying. Think of Terapeak as your secret weapon for understanding buyer demand and market trends. It allows you to research product ideas, analyze competitor listings, and price your items strategically for maximum profit. Section 2. Navigating Terapeak. Finding the insights you need. Accessing Terapeak is easy. If you have a basic, premium, anchor, or enterprise eBay store subscription, you get Terapeak included at no additional cost. Just log into your eBay account and look for the Research tab in the Seller Hub. Click on Terapeak Product Research to access this treasure trove of data. Once you're in Terapeak, you can start searching for products using keywords, categories, or even specific eBay item numbers. Let's say you're interested in selling vintage video games. Simply type vintage video games into the search bar, and Terapeak will generate a comprehensive report. This report provides a wealth of information, including sales history and average selling price. Section 3. Decoding the data, making informed selling decisions. Terapeak empowers you to make data-driven decisions, minimizing risks and maximizing your chances of success. For example, if you notice a particular vintage video game has a high average selling price and a consistent sales history, it could indicate a hot selling opportunity. Conversely, if a product has very few sales and a low average selling price, it might be a sign to steer clear or explore other options. Don't be afraid to experiment and explore different product categories. Terapeak allows you to save your searches, track competitors, and set up email alerts for specific products or keywords. By leveraging Terapeak's insights, you can confidently source in-demand products, price them competitively, and optimize your listings for maximum visibility and sales. Section 1. Crafting your title. The first impression. You've done your research, you've found your product. Now it's time to build an eBay listing that converts. Your listing is your virtual storefront, and just like a physical store, first impressions matter. The first thing buyers see is your listing title. It's what appears in search results and determines whether someone clicks to learn more. Think of your title as a headline that needs to grab attention and entice clicks. It should be clear, concise, and accurately reflect what you're selling. Use relevant keywords that buyers are likely to search for. Section 2. Showcasing your product, the power of visuals. A picture is worth 1,000 words, and on eBay, high-quality images are non-negotiable. Your product photos are your chance to showcase your item in the best light possible, highlighting its features, condition, and desirability. Use natural lighting whenever possible and avoid blurry or pixelated images. eBay allows you to add multiple photos to your listing. Take advantage of this. Section 3. Writing to sell, crafting compelling descriptions. Your product description is your opportunity to provide all the essential information buyers need to make an informed purchase. Start with a strong opening sentence that grabs attention and highlights the key selling points of your item. Be clear, concise, and accurate in your description. Use bullet points or short paragraphs to make the information easy to read and digest. Include all the relevant details, such as brand name, model number, condition, new, used, etc., dimensions, weight, and any flaws or defects. Remember, transparency is key. This builds trust with buyers and reduces the likelihood of negative feedback or returns later on. Section 1. Choosing a shipping method. Alright, so you've got your listings polished and you're starting to see those sales roll in. Congratulations, now it's time to talk about everyone's favorite part, shipping. Okay, maybe it's not the most glamorous aspect of selling on eBay, but it's crucial to get it right. Efficient and cost-effective shipping keeps both you and your buyers happy. First things first. Choosing your shipping method. eBay gives you the flexibility to choose from a variety of carriers like USPS, FedEx, or UPS. Consider factors like the weight and dimensions of your package, the destination, and your budget. For smaller items, USPS First Class or Priority Mail are often economical choices. For larger or heavier items, FedEx or UPS Ground might be more suitable. To simplify things, eBay offers calculated shipping. This handy feature automatically calculates the shipping cost based on the buyer's location and the package details you provide. Proper packaging is essential for ensuring your items arrive safely and in pristine condition. No one wants to receive a damaged package, so let's make sure yours are as secure as can be. Start with a sturdy box or envelope that's appropriately sized for your item. Avoid cramming items into a too small package, as this increases the risk of damage. Use protective packaging materials generously. Bubble wrap, packing peanuts, and air pillows are your best friends. Surround your item with ample cushioning to prevent it from shifting or getting crushed during transit. Securely seal the package with packing tape. Reinforce any seams or flaps for added protection. If you're shipping fragile items, consider double boxing for an extra layer of security. Double-check that the shipping address matches the one provided by the buyer on eBay to avoid any delivery mishaps. Now that your item is packaged securely, it's time to create your shipping label. The easiest way to do this is directly through eBay. From your sold items, select the order you want to ship and click on Print Shipping Label. You'll have the option to use eBay's discounted shipping rates, often cheaper than going directly to the carrier. Plus, using eBay labels provides tracking information automatically synced with the buyer's purchase details. Once you've printed your label, carefully affix it to your package, making sure it's secure and covering any previous labels. If you're using eBay labels, you can often schedule a free package pickup from your home or drop it off at a designated carrier location. After you've sent your item, it's good practice to send a message to the buyer letting them know their order is on its way and provide them with the tracking number. And that's it. You've successfully shipped your eBay item. Feedback is the lifeblood of your eBay reputation. It's the social proof that tells potential buyers you're trustworthy, reliable, and deliver on your promises. Positive feedback is like gold on eBay. It builds confidence, attracts more buyers, and can even boost your visibility in search results. Buyers crave reassurance, and positive feedback provides that much-needed validation. Detailed feedback that praises your communication, shipping speed, accurate item description, or overall positive buying experience speaks volumes to potential customers. Section 2. Encouraging positive reviews, going the extra mile. While you can't directly ask buyers for positive feedback on eBay, it's against their policy, you can certainly encourage it through your actions and exceptional customer service. Treat every transaction as an opportunity to wow your customers. Respond to inquiries promptly and professionally. Package your items with care, as if you were sending a gift to a friend. Ship orders out quickly and provide tracking information. These small gestures can make a big difference in a buyer's overall experience and increase the likelihood of receiving positive feedback. Adding a personal touch can also go a long way. Consider including a handwritten thank you note with each order or offering a small discount on a future purchase. These acts of appreciation show you value your customers and build a positive connection that goes beyond the transaction itself. Section 3. Managing negative feedback. Turning frowns upside down. Sometimes things happen. A package might get delayed, an item could get damaged, or a buyer might have unrealistic expectations. Respond calmly and professionally. Avoid public arguments, send a private message, acknowledge concerns, and offer a solution. This could involve a refund, replacement, or discount. Show you care about customer satisfaction. Navigating common mistakes, learning from others. Beginners on eBay sometimes stumble. That's okay, it's part of the learning curve. Many common pitfalls are avoidable with awareness and foresight. Let's discuss common mistakes to set you up for success. Research products thoroughly before listing them. Use Terapeak to understand pricing trends and competition. Don't assume prices based on other listings. High-quality product photos are crucial. Invest in good lighting and clean backgrounds. Capture items from various angles for a complete picture. Staying ahead of the curve eBay. Selling best practices for long-term success. Let's focus on proactive steps for long-term success on eBay. Build a solid reputation to attract repeat customers. Communication is key. Respond promptly and professionally. Keep buyers informed about their orders. Accuracy in listings is crucial. Provide detailed descriptions including flaws. Be upfront about shipping costs and handling times. Under-promise and over-deliver. Honesty and transparency earn respect and repeat business. Go the extra mile for your customers. Little gestures make a lasting impression. Positive experiences lead to positive feedback. Ready, set, sell. Embark on your eBay adventure today. Congratulations on making it to the end of this beginner's blueprint to selling on eBay in 2025. You've learned the essentials, from setting up your account and researching winning products to crafting compelling listings, mastering the art of shipping and building a stellar reputation through positive feedback. Now it's time to put that knowledge into action and embark on your eBay adventure. Remember, the beauty of eBay lies in its accessibility and low barrier to entry. You don't need a fancy storefront or a huge inventory to get started. Start small, focus on a niche you're passionate about, and gradually scale your efforts as you gain experience and confidence. Don't be afraid to experiment, learn from your experiences, and adapt your strategies along the way. The eBay marketplace is constantly evolving, so stay curious, embrace new tools and features, and never stop learning. Most importantly, have fun with it. Your journey to eBay success starts now. To help you fast-track your eBay success, I've created a comprehensive resource that dives even deeper into the strategies and tactics we've covered today. Introducing my ebook, eBay Success Blueprint 2025, A Beginner's Guide to Selling Smartly. This ebook is your ultimate companion for navigating the exciting world of eBay selling. It's packed with actionable tips, step-by-step guides, real-life examples, and exclusive bonus content that you won't find anywhere else. Whether you're looking to earn extra income, launch a side hustle, or build a full-time business, this ebook will equip you with the knowledge and strategies you need to thrive. You can download your copy of eBay Success Blueprint 2025 right now on Amazon. And hey, while you're at it, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more eBay tips, tricks, and strategies to help you stay ahead of the curve and maximize your profits. Thanks for watching, and I'm excited to see you succeed on eBay.